Welcome back, guys, to GNS Design Custom Wraps. Today we're going to be working on some door handles on a 2019 Honda Accord. I already started it to show you the beginning of what it looks like. I'm going to show you the process and the end result. And then on the middle of the video, I'll show you how it's done, and then you guys can do it too. Here we are, what it looks like right now. We got the chrome accents right here. So you shouldn't have to take off the door handle at all. If you need to take off the door handle, you gotta take this little black piece off right here. And that's how it gets the little screw, does all this fun stuff. Take that off, but you don't need to do that. Then we're gonna walk around the other side over here, and I'll show you that this new material I'm trying out is from Cheetah Wraps. It's got some really thick plastic coating on the top of it. You peel that right off, and here's the process when you start doing it. And then here's the other part right here. So this right here is the finished end results, which if you look real close here, you can kind of see it's all wrapped and everything, spliced, even up from behind here. So yeah, there you have it. So in the middle of the video, like I said, you guys will see that how I do this real quick and easy, so you too can do it at home. DIY, do it yourself at home. Anyways, like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. If you have, thank you. Till then, see you soon. Stuff is really thick. Most coatings they put on these things are really thin. This is like thick. They definitely want to protect their material. I mean, this is like thick, but the result to protect is pretty good. Doing today?
I am doing I'm not sure what this is called, but I'm trimming this little piece, trying to make it so the chrome doesn't show. Not exactly sure what that's called. I think it's chrome deletion.
Alright guys, welcome back to GNS Design Custom Wraps. I'm done with the Honda Accord 2019. Customer is actually on his way here right now with his son. We got it all done, carbon fiber, blackout, looks pretty cool. Here it is. Alright, well, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.